Hi everyone, my name's Tim Sawyer. I'm from Track and Trace, and today we're going to be talking about the new login credentials required to log into MobileREX. Now, for all those existing customers, you first need to be updating to 1.42. So, if you can go to the About and check for updates and just make sure that you're sitting at least at 1.42 before you get started. For all new subscribers, you will be being given an invite, sent an invite from MobileREX. From there, you'll be asked to create your logins and passwords. Once you have created those logins and password, you can then look at logging into the MobileREX application. So from here, we'll log in, and you can see a message has come up that the setup was required and what API credentials we're going to need to add into it. So we just go OK. And this is where we start adding the API and URL credentials and client ID credentials. Okay, so if you're smart like me, I've actually created a barcode for each of these credentials. So the first one is my API key. I'll scan that. The second one is your Rex URL. So, and if you're not sure of anything, there is this information. There's a red icon here, and just select it, and it'll give you more information. So this is what your URL is when you log into Retail Express. Okay, so I've actually got a barcode created for that as well. We'll scan that. And then your client ID, and once again, information on where to find that. So we now need the user ID and the password that you log in to Retail Express with. So I'll add mine in. I'll just key that in. Let's make sure that's it. Yeah. Let's see if that gets in. And the next thing we want to do is we want to choose the outlet that we're going to be scanning. So if you're a multi-store operation, you'll have a number of these below in the green section. So we're just going to be scanning for this outlet, and then we set the outlet. And you can see we've been given a confirmation, and it will show at the top of the screen the outlet. So if you want to go back to that, pretty straightforward. Just go to local settings. There's your MobileREX setup, and you can see at the very top there, it's for AU Web. That's the outlet we're scanning for. Make sure also that in your local settings that you will check these boxes. This will give you some sounds, alert sounds, valid and invalid. I like checking this box because this allows you to connect live to your Stocktake or your Rex database when doing a live Stocktake. And save it. And now we're ready to get going.